I have the Redmi Xiaomi phone over here, and in this video I will show you how to turn on your Redmi Xiaomi phone without the power button. So if the power button of your Redmi smartphone actually spoiled, you just have to follow the steps carefully to properly turn on your mobile phone without the power button. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to long press on the volume up button over here. So this is the volume up button in my mobile phone, so I'm just going to long press on it. And then you want to go ahead and plug your Redmi charger to the power source. Then go ahead and plug the other end to the charging port on your mobile phone. So just like so. And just long press and hold on it like so. And you're going to find out that the phone is going to try to turn itself on like so. And then you're going to be presented with this screen. Now in some Redmi Xiaomi phones, you're going to get the option to either wipe out your data or to reset your mobile phone or to reboot the smartphone. But whatever option you have, whether you're presented with this screen or you're presented with the screen where you are asked to select an option and you need the power button to actually select an option, what you just have to do is to not do anything at all. Just leave it on this screen for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just don't do anything, and what will happen is that your Redmi Xiaomi phone will automatically select the rebooting option, which will now make the mobile phone to turn on its own. So you just want to go ahead and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes when you're presented with this screen or the screen asking you to select an option. So I'm just going to fast forward this video to the point where it actually accepts. Okay, you can see, and my mobile phone is now turning on by itself. You can see like so. This was about 5 minutes. So basically what happened is that your Xiaomi phone automatically selected the rebooting option, which now made the mobile phone to reboot itself. And now once your mobile phone is turned on, what you just want to go ahead and do is to open up your mobile phone. In my case, I will just open up with my password like so. And what you want to do to make sure that you can easily use the phone without having to struggle to use the power button is to just to go to the settings of the mobile phone, and you want to go to the top and search for double tap. So just search for double tap like so. And you're going to see this option to double tap to wake up the mobile phone. So just click on it, and then you want to go ahead and turn on double tap to unlock your mobile phone. Now what this means is that if your mobile phone turns off on its own, you probably will not need the power button to turn it on again. So for instance, if the phone is asleep like this, I can just double tap like so, and it will awaken the phone without me necessarily having to use the power button. So turning on that particular option makes it way more easier for you to be able to use your phone without having to struggle to use the power button all of the time. Hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.